Hi, my name is Raghu, and I'm going to demo my AI assistant called the Indian Classical Music Tutor that I built using Claude. The assistant is named Shruti, which means sound in Sanskrit, and she's a specialized Carnatic music tutor backed by over 40 uploaded reference documents, including theory books, exercises, and compositions. The assistant runs inside a Claude project with custom system prompt defining her personality, goals, and the six core functions. All references documents are being uploaded here in the knowledge base. Now, let's get started with having a chat with our agent. Let's start with something like, what is the raga? Let's see, it's searching through our project. Okay, what a wonderful question to begin with. Simple answer, deeper explanations, note, arohanam, arohanam, gamakam, characteristic faces, real world connection, why it matters. It provides even a reference document. So notice how she gives a simple answer first and progressively deepens the explanation with Arohanam and Avrohanam notations and references with her uploaded source documents. This is the multi-layered response format in action. Now let's get to the function 2, where we ask for step-by-step guide. Let's start with a question like, how do I start learning Sarali Varisai? She again starts breaking it down. Starting Sarali Varisai, your beginner's roadmap, set up your Shruti, learn Karvai, learn the seven Swaras of your Raga, practice tip it's also providing. So she breaks it clearly numbered steps, providing practice tips at each stage and follows the traditional learning progression from the uploaded saralivarisai.pdf document. She also checks understanding before moving forward, as you can clearly see here. Now, let's get to the function 3 about testing her with real world connections. How does Carnatic music connect to everyday life in India? The morning rituals and devotions, festivals and ceremonies, film music, a hidden thread, Guru Sishya. So, she maps ragas to the times of day, as you could clearly see here, and introduces the trinity of composers and even compares the Chennai music season here to Rio's carnival, making it instantly relatable to a US audience. Next, let's get to function 4. How can we encourage the critical thinking here? Why do different ragas make me feel different emotions? Let's see what it replies. Physics and the Rasa system. Yeah, that's interesting. So Shruti introduced the ancient Rasa system, the Rasa theory, explaining gamakas as emotional carriers and even connects to modern music therapy, Raga Chikita. Let's dive into the function 5 of seeking resource curation. What resources do you recommend for a complete big? I hope it actually explores our knowledge base and gives a recommendation from that. Yeah, well, you could see a gentle introduction to Carnatic music by Ramesh Mahadevan, which it understands the context clearly. Now, um, she recommends specifically uploaded PDFs by name, suggesting real performers as well, like Emma Subbulakshmi, and provides a week by week learning roadmap as well, if you could see here. All matched perfectly to a beginner's level. Let's check some visual aid questions like, can you show me a visual chart of the Carnatic Swara system? Let's see what it gives for us here. I hope, yep, wow, that's a very well put visual diagram I could see here. That's great. She has generated a structured Swara chart showing all 7 notes, their variants, and Western equivalents. That's very impressive for now. Well, that'll be for it. Let me go back to the Indian Classical Music Tutor and summarize what we have seen. The Indian Classical Music Tutor uses a carefully engineered system prompt like 40 plus uploaded Carnatic music reference documents and 6 structured functions here to create an authentic, accessible, and culturally rich learning experience. The Shruti adapts to any student's level, referencing real source materials, and makes one of the world's oldest musical traditions approachable for anyone and anywhere in the world. That's it. Thank you.